Have you ever dreamed of a ring that can save your life from the attacker? Or a simple bracelet that could let you teach them a lesson? Then these tiny self-defense gadgets surely blow your mind with their easy, concealable, and almost invisible attributes. In addition, some of them are non-lethal gadgets that one can use without any legal constraints. So in this video, we will discuss the 12 tiny self-defense gadgets that you can buy right now.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
How would you feel if an iPhone case protected you from intruders? Sounds rare, right? The Yellow Jacket is an all-in-one solution that works as an iPhone cover and personal protection gadget. This stunning gear delivers a surge of electricity to the attacker and immobilizes him in a matter of seconds. Plus, it won't cause any long-lasting damage and give peace of mind. Made of rugged and durable plastic, this cover protects your phone from drops and wear and tear. A personal alarm like the ShesBirdie helps to scare off intruders and prevent you from criminal attack. This alarm can produce a loud siren that reaches up to 100 feet of distance and draws the public attention. It'll automatically make the sound when the top pin of the alarm is removed. After replacing the pin again, it will stop sounding. Not just that, you can attach this alarm in an accessible place, such as chains, key rings, and purses to access them when needed. Ring increases the beauty of the finger. However, the Defender ring not only enhances the beauty of the finger, but also protects you from intruders. This ring has a sharp blade inside its design, ensuring maximum protection while maintaining the style. The amazing thing is that it is easy to access in any situation and can injure the attacker within a second. It looks like a stylish piece of jewelry that is available in many styles and designs. How about a gun if it comes with a credit card size? The Life Card is an adjunct gun that people usually look for their self-defense needs. This amazing gun can perform like other powerful guns and allows you to tackle the situation with courage. Besides, its foldable design makes the gun different from any other self-defense gun in the world. If a person has never touched a gun in his entire life, he can also use this gun for his protection. The Defender 24/7 is a next-generation self-defense gadget that will surely grab your attention with its astonishing features. This gadget comes with a camera that captures the photo of the invader and immediately sends it to the proper authority. Besides, it has pepper spray and alarm technology to provide the ultimate protection for its end users. Meanwhile, it's compact enough to adjust within a bag or pocket. Without taking any special defense training, you can use the Fast Strike to protect yourself from intruders. This self-defense whip can strike from a distance and keep the attacker away. Moreover, it easily adjusts inside the pant to access it whenever needed most. Finally, thanks to its high-grade material, it won't break down after plenty of strikes. What can you expect from a pen? It can write only. The GERBER IMPROMPTU Tactical Pen is an entirely different version of a conventional pen. This pen works as a self-defense gear that creates a considerable impact when striking the attacker. The most astonishing thing is that it can break the car window in an emergency. Plus, it also does its regular writing duty. On top of that, its rigid machined steel body ensures its incredible durability. If you find yourself grabbed by the attacker, the PARACLAW knife bracelet will help you get released from them. This bracelet is integrated with a sharp knife, which is easy to access in any situation. Its paracord handle is firmly attached to the wrist and delivers optimum support in danger. Not just that, it has a longer lifespan that sustains years after years. The SABRE 3-in-1 defense spray gives the room to escape from the attackers while disabling them for several minutes. This non-lethal spray is combined with pepper spray, CS tear gas, and UV marking dye to provide ultimate defense in dangerous circumstances. Plus, its compact canister and built-in clip allow you to access it in no time. The notable benefit is that it can disable the assailant from 10 feet away. Wouldn't be that great if a gun didn't kill anyone, but would defend you from the criminal attacks. Well, the BYRNA SD makes it possible. This powerful gun releases pepper spray, which causes attackers breathing difficulty and vision loss for several minutes. The amazing thing is that it can disable the target from 60 feet away and offer room to get out of the situation. But don't worry, this gun won't permanently injure anyone. Want to give a massive shock to the assaulter? The STREETWISE Triple Sting Ring helps to do so. This sting ring can produce a powerful 28 million volts of electricity to disable any person within a second. On top of that, it will perfectly adjust to any size of a finger that looks like a ring. So despite its compact size, the sting ring takes up very little space in the purse. The CRKT PROVOKE morphing KARAMBIT is a life-saving tool that provides the confidence to face the assailant. It takes only the pressure of the thumb to deploy the blade and make it accessible in any threatening situation. Surprisingly, it's compact enough to adjust within the palm of a hand so that attackers and invaders can't predict its presence. Besides, this fantastic knife is made with D2 steel material, ensuring high durability and excellent edge retention. So that was all about the 12 tiny self-defense gadgets you can buy right now. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video if you find it helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.